The Mysterious Raven. Facts and Fictions. Among all the birds that soar across the skies, few capture the imagination of humans quite like the raven. Known for its black plumage, sharp beak, and piercing eyes, the raven has long been a symbol of mystery, intelligence, and even superstition. From ancient myths to modern science, this bird stands at the crossroads of fact and fiction. Physical traits and intelligence ravens belong to the genus Corvus, the same family as crows, rooks, and magpies. The common raven, Corvus corax, is one of the largest passerine birds, with a wingspan that can reach up to 4 feet. Their glossy black feathers often shine with a subtle purple or blue sheen in the sunlight, adding to their eerie beauty. But what truly sets ravens apart is their intelligence. Scientific studies have shown that ravens are among the smartest animals on Earth. They use tools, solve puzzles, and even engage in play for fun. For example, ravens have been observed sliding down snowy rooftops, playing tug-of-war with sticks, and even mimicking human speech. Their ability to plan ahead and problem-solve rivals that of some primates. Cultural symbolism. Throughout history, ravens have appeared in countless myths and legends. In Norse mythology, the god Odin was accompanied by 2 ravens, Hugin and Munin, who flew around the world to bring him news. In Native American cultures, the raven is often seen as a trickster or creator figure, capable of bringing light to the world. In contrast, European folklore often associates ravens with death and misfortune, largely due to their dark color and scavenging habits. Perhaps the most famous literary raven appears in Edgar Allan Poe's haunting poem, The Raven. In the poem, the bird becomes a symbol of grief, loss, and an unrelenting reminder of despair as it repeats the word nevermore. This portrayal cemented the raven as a Gothic icon in Western culture. Ravens in reality. Despite their reputation as ominous creatures, ravens are highly social and form strong bonds with their mates. They are monogamous, often staying with the same partner for life. Their communication is also incredibly complex, consisting of varied calls, gestures, and even body language. Scientists believe ravens are capable of understanding the concept of fairness and empathy, traits once thought unique to humans and higher primates. Ravens also play an important ecological role. As scavengers, they help clean the environment by consuming carrion, which prevents the spread of disease. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in many habitats, from mountains and forests to urban landscapes. Conclusion. The raven is a bird that embodies both truth and myth. While legends paint it as a symbol of darkness or divine wisdom, science reveals a creature of remarkable intelligence, adaptability, and social complexity. The fascination with ravens continues because they reflect the dual nature of our imagination. They are both creatures of fact and figures of fiction. Ultimately, the raven is not just a bird of mystery, but also one of wonder, deserving respect for its role in nature and its impact on human culture.